We need to change the global financial systems, say na the rich people make am for rich people. Antonio Guterres na him yarn this one. Antonio Guterres, wey be United Nations Secretary General, don come Naija for 2 days visit, yarn say United Nations analysis show say the war wey dey shele for Ukraine dey make things go bad unto say e don cause katakata on top food, energy and financial matter for countries wey never mature. E yarn dis one when e waka enter go see Presido Muhammadu Buhari for presidential villa for Abuja. E come talk say make countries wey get energy for their storage supply countries wey dey in need of am. Say make financial institutions increase liquidity and physical space kiakia, make government for no enter gbese for food.
We need to ensure a steady flow of food and energy through open markets by lifting all unnecessary export restrictions, directing surpluses and reserves to those in need, and keeping a lid on food prices to calm our market volatility.
Guterres come talk say Naija na pillar for African global corporations and loyal partner for United Nations, say im believe say Naija and pipo get ogbonge role to bring solution for crisis wey dey shele for the world.
We need the reform of global financial system. It was designed by the rich for the rich. But as we face a situation that requires urgent action, we must make greater use of all available mechanisms for the benefit of developing countries, including middle-income countries, especially in Africa. We need to put recovery within reach for all countries and all peoples equally.
The Secretary General come yarn say kilikili and tifitifi don continue be the order of the day wey don cause the death of many Naija people. Say the crisis don cause insecurity for food for 4.1 million Naija people for north.
From its vital support for peacekeeping to its leadership in fighting for fairness for developing countries, Nigeria is a country where Africa's promise and potential can come to vivid life. And that is why we have called for an additional $351 million as part of the overall $1.1 billion for the humanitarian response plan for Nigeria.
Guterres come hail Presido Buhari for im steady support for federal and Borno state governments to end war. The pity wey im give the repentant kilikili tifitifi people and the Lake Chad Basin Commission.
Just as Nigeria stood with the United Nations stands in solidarity with Nigeria across the board. We look forward to strengthening our partnership and advancing peace, security and development across the country, the region and the world.
Ebo Sereme Obinome, TMC TV News.